Make a great choice today with the 2019 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, cruise control, trip computer. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.